we have to see what marketing people do with AI, and that'll give us an indication of some of the problems that we're going to have. Fin7 is a huge ex-USSR countries based crime group, and they've been generating thousands of fake companies and pages and everything. We're going to have a noise problem due to artificial intelligence and people leveraging it. Obviously translation is going to be a problem. So now you're going to have people from countries who couldn't hit you before suddenly have the language mastery to sound exactly like you, right? You remember your old Nigerian prince was quite easy to identify, not so much anymore.